Hi everyone, welcome to Rohini's Art Love. Thank you to my 100-member YouTube family for your love and support. Today I'll be showing you how to create an easy bookmark using just few art supplies. I'm using Zen Sangam's bookmark pad, Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, and also watercolors from Camel. I bet you will love this one if you're a nature lover. Let's get started. Once you have drawn a rough sketch using pencil, use this brush pen to give the outline and also some detailing. These pens are my favorite as they are waterproof and also good for calligraphy. The one I am using is a hard tip. Now, let's paint the leaf using watercolor and write some beautiful quote using the brush pen. I hope you liked my bookmark and would be happy if you make one for yourself. Thank you so much.